Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
So it's been a while since I vlogged, and this week I have a few events, mini events, family gatherings. There you go. I feel like that's a better wording for it, maybe. But anyway, I'm excited to see my family. I haven't seen them in a minute. I do have to go down to Broward Friday. Before that, I'm attending one of my cousin's graduations, and then yeah, so I did my hair yesterday, and I have to get used to it because I've never done braids and curl combo, and I've been seeing it on Instagram a lot, well, just social media in general, and I like how it looks, but I have to get used to it. Overall, I do like it, but it's different, so we'll rock it until this week, and then probably by next week I'll take out the curl part of it because I can already tell that it'll get matted and just start looking messy. So most likely we'll take that out, and then what else? Yeah, so just going to take you along in my week, and also wanted to vlog because this will be memories for me, since our family, a lot of us are just now all over the US, so you know, don't get to see them as much. So I'm excited. This will be a good week, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. So you see how it looks brighter on here, like it looks like such a beautiful brown. So this is the hair that I have in for the braids, and I was really excited about this color, and it looks like just so long. Like this was supposed to be 48 inches but yeah, it just looks much darker in my hair. Hello. So I am out and about today. I am actually in the parking lot for my wax appointment. It's my first time getting waxed at this place. I'll let you guys know how it goes. What else? After that, I'm gonna go to the hair store to exchange the rest of the hair that I have to get, like I said, I want to change this out because you see how it is like frizzy. I want to get something like just super thin, like a super thin curl situation. So I'm gonna go exchange that for that. I need a hair oil, mine's done. And then what else? And then I most likely will go to Walmart because I need to get a new shower gel. And then that's should be it for today. But I feel like there's something else on my list. I gotta look at my to-do list, but yeah. All right, so I'm done with the waxing. It was like super painless, and I haven't been in months since like November. So I had a lot of hair. And yeah, it wasn't bad. It was super painless. The person was nice. So definitely would come back here again. I have something else booked with them for next month. So yeah.
Why are you in the... They ditched you, man.
Go ahead.
They had to stop for a photo op.
At the graduation. Y'all want to say hello? Hello.
Now be seated. Provost Johnson will now recognize students graduating with distinction today.
Graduation is done. We're waiting for the graduates so we can take pictures. What is like much better, honey?
Oh, that's it. You want to take the picture?
You want to be in my vlog?
This all about
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hey. Vlogging and rushing to get ready is so not easy. So right now I'm at the hotel waiting for some of my cousins, and I think my sister are gonna be riding with me too. We're gonna go to I don't know what's the proper name, like an engagement dinner. I don't know. Once I figure out the proper term. Because this weekend is pretty much like one of my cousins got engaged. So tomorrow, all of our family, like we're having a party for her, like an engagement party. But then I guess today is also an engagement dinner. Yeah, but yeah. So I'm waiting for them to come out. Oh, one of them's calling me. Is that hers? The table in there or no?
That's what I think. But we were looking over there.
You're gonna be in my vlog, ma'am, since this is your weekend. Say hi. What is it? The fiance?
The bride to be.
The bride to be. There you go. Let us see the ring, honey. Yes, yes. She graduated and also her engagement weekend. All different flavors. I get that it's spring, but why must every single freaking dress be like all flowers? I just want a solid. Too many prints for me. It's so hot, so humid. We were out here taking pictures. Oh my Lord. Yeah. So this is the engagement party, engagement proposal. Okay, I just came to kind of say, check in. This is where we at now, but it is so hot.
Wait.
Yes.
Alright, hold this for me. Okay. Sorry, Baba. I'm gonna use you.
Because you mentioned that you like mine, so I was like, ooh, let's get you one. You can do a lot of looks with that.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
So I am going to the beach today with one of my cousins. Excited because I haven't been to the beach since 2019 where I was able to lounge and, you know, enjoy, spend some time there. The last time I've been to a beach at all was last year in California, but literally, you know, we just stood there for like 10 minutes and then left. But this will be the first time where I'm like lounging and relaxing. So I'm excited about that. And I brought my iPad so I can read my book. What am I reading right now? Something of Light, not Destroyer of Light, but it's like a series. It's really good. If you want to check it out, I definitely recommend. Yeah, got some snacks and drinks. It feels good. This is the life.
Time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up.
Hey, so I wanted to come in here and just close the vlog because past week just been ripping and running, getting ready to go down, and when I was around family, we just, you know, had to go just doing all these things, whatever. So yeah. So I am back home and I came yesterday. So today I literally just did some laundry and I actually went on a date. Let me stop. Yeah, so I went on a date. We're doing this because it was more of a quick meetup, honestly. It was like less than an hour. But I did enjoy myself in the short time, and I think he did too. So we'll see. But yeah, we're still out here trying to find our forever partner, you know. Oh, it's just dating is tiring because you have to put your energy every time into meeting someone new, getting to know them, and them getting to know you, and in like a week it falls off, doesn't go further, or maybe max 2 weeks. Like, I am tired of meeting people. It really haven't been like that many people, but just the process of it all is tiring. Yeah, so overall today I had a good day. I realized I didn't really end the vlog properly. I think the last thing I recorded was like me at the beach. I think that was really the last vlog. But the beach was felt so good. The wind was like consistent, so even though it was like hot, you didn't feel it. And as you saw as well, took a nap. Nothing like a beach nap. Yeah, so just here cleaning up. And what else? There was something else I was gonna say. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. The next video that I'll most likely put out, because I have different people ask me on different socials about an update of my pulsatile tinnitus. So the next video I'll update on that. And then I do have something that I already filmed as far as a review on some products, so I'll put that as well. And I just want to also say, please make sure to like these videos. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, especially TikTok. I'm under 100 followers on there. What else? And subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you're on here, if you've watched more than one of my videos on different occasions, you need to be subscribed by now, okay? Because you keep coming back, so just saying. Yeah, because it's really hard to grow, period, on all of these social platforms. It's helpful when you like a video, because as much as I do enjoy making them, it's helpful to know if you're enjoying them, you know? Like, I'll see the views, but at least on here on YouTube, I don't get that many comments. So if you liked an outfit that you saw me wore, write that, you know, let me know. If you like this restaurant I checked out, whatever, you know, like, or even if you have an opinion on something, or you actually do want me, like, oh, you see something like, oh, she should try this, let me know. So at least I know y'all really out here watching, okay? I definitely am taking all of these curls out. I keep finding like these seaweeds here and there from the beach day, so. But the thing is, should I wait to wash it because I want to check out a beach up here, or wash it and then, even if I gotta wash it again, I don't know, because this will be my first time washing my hair ever with braids. I've never washed my hair while I had a protective style on, so I just don't want my hair to get messed up like that. I don't know, we'll see. But Jackie Ann have been inspiring me to wash my hair with my braids in, because she does it, you know, all the time, and it still look pretty good. So I'll watch some videos and see the proper method on doing it, so it's not really messing up my hair and it could still stay, you know, fresh. One thing I want to mention too, like, it dawned on me, like, as I'm talking, like, I love celebrating love, and literally it's been so quiet as far as within our family on the people that's getting married. Like, we have a lot of cousins, and there's been no weddings, no, you know, no one's having kids, none of that, right? And then recently 4 of us got engaged like this. Like quick. I got asked to be a bridesmaid in my cousin's wedding, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's like my first time being a bridesmaid. I've never been a bridesmaid in my life, and I really never realized that. I've been a flower girl more than once, I think, but I have not been a bridesmaid. So I'm excited, so excited about that. It was an honor. It is an honor. Yeah, so I'm just excited for everyone, you know, finding their partner and getting married and all of that good stuff. All right, now that's it. I don't think there's anything else. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.